Hey everyone, welcome back to Joey's Adventures. In today's video, we actually have a 2-in-1 special. You see, originally, these vlogs that I'm going to show you today were going to get canceled, but I decided, hey, you know what? I'm going to go ahead and just edit them as one big vlog. So these two vlogs that you're going to see were supposed to be separate videos, and they were going to get canceled actually. Because of how short they were and there was not a lot of content, but I decided, hey, you know what? I'm gonna go ahead and edit them both, so you guys are getting a 2-in-1 special. The first vlog you're gonna see will take place in Pocatello, Idaho. Basically, I went to Pocatello to go play bowling and eat sushi. That was a lot of fun. And the second vlog takes place at Boondocks, located in like Ogden, Utah area. And I also went golfing too, so a lot of fun stuff going on. And these videos themselves were not good enough to be one single video, so that's why they're getting combined into two. With that out of the way, here's the first part of the vlog.
Yeah. All right. Right now we're gonna make a fire.
Fire!
If I take a picture?
Yeah. Go picture.
Of the fire?
Me or this one?
Fire.
Oh yeah.
It can be if you
Oh yeah.
want it.
Oh shoot. I like it. Ready? 1, 2, and fire up.
Whoa! Nice. Whoa!
You okay? Your everyone's okay?
Yeah.
I'm back on.
1 hour later.
Alright, we're at Idaho State University going bowling apparently. I don't understand that. Apparently there's a bowling alley inside of this college. Pretty cool. I've been here before at a school field trip. It's really cool. I don't know. We're here with some foreign exchange students and some friends. I will have to introduce them to you. Go Bengals. Alright, so change of plans. They're closed for whatever reason. It's probably because it's Sunday. So we're kind of reevaluating our plans. So I'll see you when we decide to change stuff up.
A few minutes later.
Alright, so we are on our way to another bowling alley since the other one was closed because it's Sunday, I think. I don't know. We have some other foreign exchange students. We have, what's your name back there? George. Shayun?
Yeah,
Nice. And this is Kat.
Hi,
Where are you from?
Spain.
Spain? Which part of Spain?
Bilbao, the north.
The north. Tell me a fact about Spain.
That it's warm.
It's warm.
It's good.
It's a good fact.
Senna's right over here. Elsa's over there.
Yeah.
They're matching today. Senna called shotgun, so I'm respecting that. She's from South Korea. Tell me something really cool about South Korea.
really cool about South Korea.
Yeah.
Is not much snowing compared to Idaho.
Yeah, not much snowing.
Not much snow.
Everybody's down with us.
You live right next to the capital of Seoul, right?
Yep.
What's really cool about Seoul?
Seoul has a lot of things to do. You can play. You just can play everything you want, and yeah.
And yeah. Okay. All right, that's pretty cool. Derek, this bowling alley better not be closed.
It might be.
Might be.
Most likely.
So, want to say hi to my video?
No.
Well, thank you. Thanks, they're open.
Yeah, I think they're open too.
I've got an itch I can't scratch. I'm missing a piece that completes a whole part of me. An open wound scar to see. Everybody come here, gather round. Welcome to the freak show, the best in town.
Nice, Derek.
What the hell's wrong with me? I don't get along with anybody, honestly. I've been living in my own head constantly. Thoughts jumbled round, think I need a new lobotomy. Wait, all these thoughts are too negative. I don't wanna get lost in the sedative. Gotta show them what I got, I'm competitive. You know I'm about to go off, I won't let them win. I'll take a stab, I wanna chase a bag. I wanna weigh, I can change all the things I lack. I gotta face the facts, I got a taste in that. Got me obsessed with the rest, I got an itch to scratch. I'll give up everything. If I could see my dreams, cause I'll do anything to make what a reality. Don't let go. I'll make things right, cause I'll do anything to make what a reality.
I just wanna find a way out, sick of the venom in my brain. Running from the past, wanna escape my pain. I just wanna be a better person, I deserve this. I just wanna break these chains. I was destined for greatness, true to myself, I never fake it. Seen too many ones that is so they get famous. And when I say the truth, most really can't take it. In spite of everything I've been through, I'ma make it. Fake friends, but on my downfall is toxic. Day one, started to outlaws for profit. Now all I do is write verses, no talking. All I do is put the work in, no option. This was everything I ever wanted. Created a legacy off of me, just being honest. And the fake ones hate, but it's all to no avail. They wanna see me lose, but you know I never fail.
You are now watching part 2 of the vlog taking place in Utah. We went down to this family activities place called Boondocks to go golfing, and it was fun. So a bit of a funny story is that Aurora was here last year and we were playing laser tag. There is this 3-year-old kid on the other team. He was so cute that she let him shoot her.
Let's go. Yo. I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it, fuse like a magnet. Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shoot tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up, nah, I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter. Big picture, I'm a straight killer. Rising the song to the highest bidder. Got juice, got gas, I'ma move fast. New shoes, new tracks, like who's that? I'm new, come back, better than last. Yeah, it's a new me, never gonna look back. I'm never gonna look back. Cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast, and that's facts. Only I can make a change. Slowly take a step today. I will never be the same. Cause that's what it takes. Pieces is a form of art. I'm never gonna look back.
Fail. Just fail, okay?
Damn, I was built to last.
You can't do this. You won't do it. You're gonna fail. Just kidding. That was funny. Do it again. That was funny. Oh. Okay, Senna.
Nice. I'm back.
Stop. Stop doing this. That one by a mile.
You did miss that one.
You got 3 and 10.
You gave me a third chance.
You really had 3 chances to screw it up.
Well,
You almost got a 4th chance.
you missed that by a mile! With that, thank you guys so much for watching. If you like the content and would love to see more, then please consider subscribing. I'm going to try to get a video like this out every Saturday, so subscribe if you enjoy this content and would love to see more. Anyways, guys, have a great day and see ya. Peace.